Dassault Systèmes did call Processia because they wanted us to manage a real industrial project and deliver in time two 3D mock-up of two classic vehicles of the Second World War, the LCVP, landing craft, and the Waco, a glider. So we did really enjoy at Processia to be one of the first users on 3D experience. And of course it was really easy to take engineers and tell them we will do some military objects from Second World War and on the last version of CATIA. The first moment was to set up the cloud, simply. And it's pretty simple. You just have to receive a mail with an internet link. You click on it. Then you arrive on your collaborative space, nothing to do. You click on the apps you want to install, for example, Part Design, classic. And it asks you, do you want to install only Part Design or all the apps you have the right to? You say yes, you get to take a coffee and you come back, it's done. We wanted to see and to take benefit of the cloud collaborative space, which was pretty easy. Processia did put in place a team of 3 persons, one in England at home, one in Paris at home, and myself both at office and at home. Also, we wanted to test pure CATIA V5 users to go on 3D experience platform to see how fast they would react and how fast they would feel comfortable, and it was a question of a few days only.
We designed Waco in 3D with CATIA, of course, and we decided to add a new challenge to it. We decided to make it fly in CATIA. We are in the age of experience, and the static 3D model is not enough for sure. For that, we have created a functional mock-up and the behavioral models, in particular the dynamics, the flight dynamics of the Waco airplane. Basically, everything was in place already available. CATIA system is available on the cloud. So we had all the apps we needed to make it possible very fast.
We had a challenge to tackle. The first was the complexity. There were more than 30,000 different parts. We got 300 different drawings. Then we had to tackle also the inconsistency and the lack of information that will come along the design. We had also the challenge of the time. Having different people on board, and for that we need a very easy to manage infrastructure, and we got the CATIA on the cloud for that. The digital mock-up of the Waco began only when the landing craft was finished, so the schedule was tighter and tighter, and then we had this surprise about the complexity and the bad drawings. So let's say the collaboration has to be tighter and tighter, especially when we had to go in Washington DC to get the original drawings, also to go to Minnesota, the Granite Falls Museum. We were still connected with the team, and we get this kind of exchange that they have to change or modify the design, which was already begun, and to adapt the different parts. So collaboration was a key success.